DXP's Supply Chain Services, also known as SCS, specialize in maintaining your maintenance, repair and operating MRO products and procedures, keeping them stocked and running at optimal levels, allowing our customers to focus on their core competencies. Our specialized programs digitize the customer's supply chain, therefore improving efficiency, increasing uptime, and reducing costs. When a typical customer experiences an equipment failure without appropriate spare parts management in place, this initiates a complex and costly set of events to locate, purchase, and receive shipment of the part needed through the supply chain. Without proper supply chain planning of applicable repair parts stored on site, the customer can experience downtime, expedited shipping costs, and production loss. Our solutions are customized to meet the needs of our customers and to enhance visibility, control, and processes. This is done through a complete on-site integrated solution for managing MRO inventory, procurement, and storeroom operations. DXP Smart Source provides storeroom management to establish best practices for inventory, workplace safety, and help with repairs and returns. Smart Source provides warranty tracking, accurate inventory data, and performance indicators. As a result, companies witness improved inventory accuracy with fewer errors. DXP Smart Buy is DXP's procurement management solution, having broad first-tier capabilities with over 5,000 authorized manufacturer relationships, providing the industry's widest breadth of industrial products. From inventory item replenishment to fulfilling spot buy item needs, DXP Smart Buy can leverage and improve. DXP Smart Vend is an industrial vending solution, providing an uninterrupted flow of materials by optimizing inventory levels. Vending improves MRO service levels and reduces total cost, allowing for an uninterrupted source of supply 24/7. DXP Smart Crib technology provides solutions for remote or unmanned storeroom management. This technology provides a self-service solution with integrated badge access, checkout scanning of materials, and security cameras. Smart Crib provides a solution to monitor your storeroom remotely, wherever you are. This allows plants to continue daily operations, providing security and accuracy from a distance. DXP owns the supply chain and can consolidate suppliers, reduce administrative burden, offer competitive pricing, and drive cost savings. We focus on eco-friendly products and services to help in our customers' sustainability efforts. DXP's key implementation services create a master digital database for storeroom organization with systematic item management, inventory optimization, and removal of duplicate or obsolete parts. The implementation services provide complete supply chain mapping and barcoding, giving full visibility and control. All done with 6S, OSHA, and sustainability in mind. This visual storeroom transformation creates more efficient operational procedures and flow, saving customers time and money in accessing daily MRO product needs. DXP provides digital management systems through a proprietary module-based Chase CMMS system called Smart CMMS. Smart CMMS provides a critical link between stores and maintenance in one comprehensive solution. Easily maintain every part of the company by streamlining inventory, procurement, and transactional management. It has systems for maintenance, work orders, equipment management, calibration and control, kitting and staging, and warranty or repair tracking. Smart CMMS's intuitive design with user training makes it easy to learn, gives on-demand customer access to reporting, and has a web-based platform. The BI dashboard provides indicators and metrics, KPIs, for all supply chain areas, ensuring high service levels and continuous improvement. From service levels to cost savings, value tracker, these tools will validate the DXP SCS value. Our mission at DXP is to help our clients become more efficient and competitive through ESG guidelines. Our supply chain services fulfill this mission. DXP Supply Chain Services provides operational excellence through customer-driven and specialized on-site maintenance, repair and operating (MRO) programs to improve efficiency, increase uptime, and reduce costs.